It's Catherine McGinnis with Soaping 101, and I'm pleased to partner with the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild to bring you a video about water discounting in cold processed soap. Water discounting is one of those small adjustments that can make a big difference in how your soap behaves, from how quickly it traces, to how easy your batter is to work with, to how fast you can unmold your bars. I'll walk you through it step by step and keep it simple. In cold processed soap, we dissolve sodium hydroxide into water to create our lye solution, and then we mix it with our oils to start saponification. The amount of lye is fixed by our recipe, but the amount of water is flexible. A water discount simply means that you're using less water than the default amount, creating a more concentrated solution. So more water equals more dilution, and less water means more concentrated. With less water, the soap batter comes together faster and feels less fluid. There's less extra liquid, so everything moves more quickly. Even a small change in water can noticeably affect your soap. Traces when oils and lye fully emulsify and the batter thickens. With a water discount, trace happens faster, sometimes much faster. This effect can be amplified with accelerating fragrance oils, recipes higher in hard oils, or soaping at warmer temperatures. Blend in short bursts and switch to hand mixing sooner. Water discounting firms up soap faster, so you can unmold sooner. Edges appear to be cleaner and sharper, and simple designs hold their shape. It can help reduce glycerin rivers, but there's also less time for intricate swirls or detailed designs. Water absorbs heat in soap, so less water means faster warming. This can lead to a quicker gel phase, higher internal temperatures, and possibly overheating or cracking. Manage by soaping at a slightly lower temperature and reducing insulation. If the batter thickens too quickly, use a smaller water discount, blend less, and choose a slower moving fragrance oil. If soap overheats, lower temperature and reduce insulation. Small changes can make a big difference. Water discounting is good for simple designs, faster unmolding, or reducing glycerin rivers. Avoid for complex swirls, fast-moving fragrance oils, or if you're still learning your recipe. Start small. 5 to 10% reduction is a good starting point. Test, take notes, and adjust. Let's walk through an example. Suppose your recipe has 38 ounces of oil and 13 ounces of water. If you want a 10% water discount, take 10% of 13 ounces, which is 1.3 ounces. Subtract that from 13, which leaves 11.7 ounces of water. For a 5% discount, multiply 5% of 13, which is 0.65 ounces. So subtracting gives us 12.35 ounces of water. Remember, less water equals faster trace, more concentrated batter, and quicker firming. Starting with a smaller discount like 5% gives you more working time and control. Adjust your water slowly, test and take notes so that you can fine-tune your process. Enjoy your soap making journey and check out the HSCG Resource Center for more helpful hints and information.